Hi besties, welcome back to How We Rose Cook, where we serve you up some delicious dishes to elevate your palate. Today it's shrimp scampi with a little twist. First I'm gonna start by marinating my shrimp, and I'm adding some olive oil. The seasonings that I'm using today, you can totally omit them and use whatever you have. I'm adding some black pepper. Next, I'm adding some green seasoning. That's one of my little twists that I'm adding to this dish. I like when my shrimp has a lot of flavor. So here I have a blend of seasonings: onion and garlic powder, paprika, red pepper flakes, and all-purpose seasoning. And then just rub it in. I'm not quite ready to make dinner, so this is gonna go in the fridge. It is nicely seasoned. Now I'm going to cover it, place it in the refrigerator until I'm ready to cook dinner. And also I'll be having pasta with my shrimp scampi. So stick around. Alright, it's time to cook. My water is boiling. I'm going to add some salt and we're going to put our pasta to boil. I'm using fettuccine. Use whatever pasta you prefer. Spread them out so that they can boil easy. So we have our pot heated for the shrimp. Add a little olive oil and we're going to cook the shrimp for about 2 minutes on each side. Alright, we're going to turn them over. We don't want them to overcook and get rubbery, so gotta make sure we take them out after about 4 minutes. So approximately 2 minutes on each side. Alright, take out our shrimp. Look juicy and flush, and they're not dried out. This is exactly how you want them. Gonna put in the second set and then we'll make our sauce. Now it's time to make the sauce. I left the pot on the stove so I kind of develop a crust on the bottom, but that's totally fine. That's all flavor. So my 2 tablespoons of butter is melting in the same pot, and I'm adding in some chopped garlic and some lemon zest. Actually lime zest. I don't have any lemon, but it's the same difference for me. Also gonna add some of that lime juice in there. Add lemon juice if you have the lemon, okay? After I taste it, if I need more lime juice, I'll add it later, but I don't want to add too much. Don't allow your garlic to burn, alright? So if you want to turn the stove down a little bit, I'm adding in some red pepper flakes. It's gonna give it a little heat. Some white wine. A little Italian herb. It has a basil in there. And it's full of flavor. If you want to add some fresh basil, you have it. Now I'm adding some of the pasta water and some more fresh herbs. This is what my sauce is looking like right now, and you can add just a pinch of salt in there to bring out the flavor, but not too much, because remember we have seasoning on the shrimp already. I'm gonna add my pasta to the sauce, so I remove some of the sauce so that the pasta doesn't absorb all of it. Pasta. So remember, the shrimp and the pasta was pre-cooked, so we're not gonna keep it in the pot for a very long time. We're just gonna give it like 2 minutes and then we're gonna remove it. I'm gonna add some Parmesan cheese, but that's totally optional. However, I love Parmesan on my pasta and most of us eat with our eyes. So we gotta add some color to the pot and garnish with some freshly chopped parsley. Ooh, dinner is ready. It's nice and hot, it's steaming. If you have made it this far in the video, you're a real one. Thank you so much. Please give the video a thumbs up if you like it and leave a comment in the comment section. You can go ahead and try it out for yourself and you can go ahead and adjust it to your liking. Whatever you see me add that you don't like, you can take it out. The green seasoning is packed with flavor. It has onion also. That's why I didn't bother to add any onion in the dish. But you can go ahead and check out my green seasoning video that was posted previously. And I will also leave the link for it in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And also subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet. It's not quite dinner time yet for me, but I'm taking a little bite. So good.